Life is incredibly beautiful and complex. Yet, without water, life on Earth would not be possible. So do the unique properties of water suggest that chemistry was fine-tuned by a god? Or is it a random product of mindless physics? Antarctica has always been a difficult frontier for humans to conquer. It is the highest, driest, and coldest continent on Earth. It also holds the majority of Earth's fresh water. If 90% of our fresh water was not stored in the ice sheet in Antarctica, sea levels would rise by 58 meters. That would drown a lot of life on Earth. Water has a number of unique properties that would suggest that it's been fine-tuned for our planet. These properties allow life to exist and thrive. Most chemicals shrink when they freeze, but water expands. This creates the capacity for life to exist underneath ice. Water supports all forms of life, playing a vital part in so many of the chemical reactions in our bodies. Animals use it to keep their blood fluid. It's in their brains and their nerves, because it dissolves ions and is vital to nerve messages.
You and I just wouldn't be here unless water had its distinct properties. Those properties include, for example, its ability to be a solvent, its ability to allow electron transfer in solvents. It's essential for life as we know it.
Water is an excellent temperature regulator. A lot of energy is required to shift its temperature. This unique chemical property helps keep our planet's temperatures right for life.
Water plays a critically important role in sustaining not simply biological processes, but biological structures as well. Life as we know it depends enormously on these unique properties of water.
So where did all of the water on Earth come from?
So when the Earth formed, the temperature around the sun and the Earth was incredibly hot. The sun was just forming. The temperature in the region was 1,000 degrees. There'd be no free water. But water can be stored in rocks pretty efficiently. And now we've actually realized that there's probably more water stored deep underground in the Earth than in all the oceans. So it could have been that the water came here embedded deeply in small rocks and grains that came together to coalesce to form the Earth, or delivered by rocks as asteroids. We are still trying to solve that problem.
This just didn't happen. Many other properties of water are not accidental. This is all shaped by fundamental quantum mechanical properties of hydrogen and oxygen. If these had been different, well, water might not be here, we might not be here, but it's the way the universe was set up right from the beginning that determines that water can act in this remarkable way.
If the laws of physical chemistry were slightly different, then it's hard to imagine life on this planet at all. So if water and all the other elements were fused together inside the furnace of an exploding star, a totally mindless, random process, then why is it also well-tuned to support life?
Many people have argued that the universe seems to be fine-tuned for life. And I think, as an empirical observation, that's right. The key question is, how persuasive is that? And certainly an atheist would say, well, look, that's just a piece of good luck. It means nothing. The universe had to look like something that looks like that. That's just the way it is.
So could the precision and versatility of water suggest it was engineered by God?
I certainly would not want to say that fine-tuning proves anything, but here's the point I would make. It's absolutely consistent with the Christian vision of things. That's not about proving anything. What we're saying is, look, here's the Christian way of looking at things, here's this observation, and it fits in easily and naturally into that.
Humble old H2O. It's an elegant molecule, chemically fine-tuned for literally thousands of reactions that support life. It looks like a work of genius. Could it be a subtle clue to an intelligent mind behind chemistry who wants us to be alive and to enjoy ourselves? What do you think?